Explaining birds from Angry Birds 2 for every single, oh my god, for every single, oh shit, part 8. Damn it, my phone's so laggy. Part 8, we're talking about Mighty Eagle. I have to speedrun this, probably like censor out the customer ID beforehand. Oh wait, no, player ID. That does not have to do anything. Speedrunning this because I forgot to post yesterday, and technically still every single day because the last post is 21 hours ago. So technically this still counts as every single day. Dude, why is my phone like, shut the hell up, Lockmore. Okay, to do all of this stuff, going to just speedrun it. Currently, okay, I can still okay, I can still record gameplay. So, yeah, that's basically it. I need to speedrun this. You might not see my eagle because I'm doing this. So, you might not see my eagle. I don't know what player ID has to do with anything, which will waste time. Birds and also the first movie. I think that might be it.